Hey, good morning guys. I'm just out in the garage and I'm doing a quick bore sight on my Rossi R92 Triple Black. And if you watched one of my previous videos on this gun, I had a bit of a failure. And let me just refresh your memory on that. Have a look at this. Okay, so that was pretty drastic actually. The rail, which contains the rear sight, and I had the dot on there. It just, while I was firing the rifle, it just fell right off. And what I saw was it sheared the tops of the screws that hold this on. There's 4 little Allen screws in here that hold this rail on. And those, well, one of them was loose and it just came out, and the other 3, the head sheared right off. And so I took it down to my local armor, and they had a look at it. And basically what they found was that, well, the one screw was loose. I should have checked that, right? But the other 3, they were barely, the threads were barely biting into the groove there, right? Into the threaded area. So they didn't really stand a chance. So to resolve this, my armor put in longer screws. He put in Loctite, and he properly torqued all the screws down. And he believes that I should not have any additional problems with a failure like that with this rifle. So if you own one of these, I would seriously look at those screws, maybe take them out, replace them with some longer ones if needed, or have your local armor, look at it. But you know, I would definitely look at your rail. Otherwise, you might have a failure just like I did. But anyway, that's how I fixed it. That's what happened, and hope that helps.